Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule your post on Instagram. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Instagram app. Let's click on the lower center of the screen to create a brand new post. Then you want to hit the image or the video that you want to upload. This is the picture in our case. Pro tip over here on the upper center of the screen, you can actually add music by clicking on the note sign. Over here you will have all the music. Then when you finish editing your music, you want to click next. You want to start editing your metadata, your captions, your description, your hashtags, right? Everything regular, tagging people, putting up the location. Another pro tip is that if you decide to change the music that you previously add, you can do it from here simply by clicking here add music or replace the music. You can do so simple and easy. And here is the moment of the truth, how you can actually schedule this post and publish it later on. You can simply click on advanced settings, the last option. And then the first over here will be schedule this post. You want to click on schedule this post and you will have a special pop-up menu, right? This menu will simply give you an option to choose not only the day and time, but you also will be able to choose the time of the day by simply choosing between AM and PM. Right, this is very important considering that your audience might be here in the US, but you might be traveling overseas. And while you're traveling, while in the plane, you don't have Wi-Fi. And you want to make sure that you schedule your post when your audience is live, right? So this is how you can go about it. You can schedule the post to go live at the time your audience is live, right? And you might be outside, traveling, flying, whatever, commuting. So this is how you can schedule and still not miss posting your content at the right time for your audience. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.